right, I'm gonna say it again, and I know how annoying it is, but I can't believe it is a new month. Another month has gone by. So today I'm going to be talking about all of my favorites from the month of July. I know we're a few days into August already, but that's okay. These are still my current favorites. So maybe that's what I'll call this, my current favorites, my mid-year favorites, something like that. But anyways, welcome back to a new video, or if you are new here, welcome. My name is Lauren, and on this channel we talk about all things motherhood, beauty, and lifestyle, and those are the types of favorites we're going to be talking about today. It's mostly going to be beauty favorites, but we do have a couple things that are more so like baby, mom life, and then just lifestyle in general. So if those are the kinds of things that interest you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and give this a video a thumbs up. And don't forget in the comments down below to let me know what your favorites have been this past month or so far this year. But anyway, let's just go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so I'm going to be starting off with beauty products, and the first thing that I'm going to talk about are these products from Tree Hut. These are particularly the ones in the Tropic Glow scent. Oh my gosh, these smell, ooh, they're still a little wet from the shower. These smell so good. So I have here the Tree Hut Tropic Glow Moisturizing Shave Oil, and then also the Tropic Glow Firming Body Scrub. Now, I know these went viral a little while ago because everybody was saying that these are a dupe for the scent of the Brazilian Boom Boom Cream by Sol de Janeiro. Now, I'm going to say this. When I first got these products, I used it all up, but I had the body butter in this scent first. And when I first used it, I was like, oh my gosh, I can finally not spend $40 or whatever it is on a body butter, because that is my absolute favorite body butter, the Sol de Janeiro one. And I really thought at first, like, oh my gosh, it's an exact dupe. But here's the thing. In my personal opinion, I do feel like it smells very, very similar to that scent. But I know I do not feel that it is an exact dupe. But I do feel like this is an awesome, affordable option if that is the scent that you love and the scent that you're looking for. Now, specifically these products, I love them more than just because they smell so good. But you'll notice that's a theme in this video. A lot of these things happen to be my favorites because they smell so good. But anyway, so this shave oil. So this I have really been loving to use as opposed to like a typical shaving cream. I don't know if it's because, I mean, I'm sure there's oil in regular shaving cream, but something about like this shave oil, because you know, like water and oil don't mix. I don't feel like it just like runs off of my body or my legs while I'm using this in the shower. Like I put it on and it stays on. It does give a nice smooth shave. It does make things feel much more comfortable. It prevents nicks and cuts and all that kind of thing. But it's just so nice to use. There's something so luxurious just about using good quality products in the shower, things that smell good. I think that's so important for self-care. So I've really been loving this. And then also the body scrub. I love the texture of Tree Hut's body scrubs. I've had several different scents of them, but oh my gosh, it does smell so, so good. And I feel like this is a perfect scent for summer, but I'm not picky with that kind of stuff. I could use this all year round. Now it does claim to be firming. I don't know that I can really attest to that. I don't know that I've seen a difference in that, but it is a great exfoliator and it makes your skin feel super smooth after you use it. So really love this. These, you know, in combination has been a big favorite of mine this month. Now this next one, I kind of feel silly talking about it because it's pretty much canned water, but this is the La Roche-Posay Thermal Spring Water Spray. Now this I absolutely love for prepping my skin for makeup, but here's the thing. When I look at the ingredients to this, it says water. Like that's the ingredient, which sounds so dumb to be paying. I mean, it really wasn't that expensive. I think it was $13.99 from Target, but to just be paying for canned water. But I don't know. The claims for this is that for sensitive skin, it soothes and protects. It's a natural antioxidant. And something about it is soothing. When I spray it onto my skin, it does not feel like when you just splash water on your face. Something about it is like hydrating, moisturizing, soothing, calm skin. My skin has been causing me a lot of issues. We've got a lot of stress breakouts going on right now. but this really helps to calm my skin down, and I feel like it really preps my skin nicely for makeup. So I don't know, I'll show you the spray. I would not use this for like setting spray because again, it is water, but for prepping your skin, look at that. Maybe I'll do a little. I mean, I don't know. Something about this, I love it. You gotta try it for yourself. I don't know if it's that it's like the minerals or something in it, but something about it, I don't know, it's doing something for me. The next thing that I have to talk about is this little set from Glow Recipe. Now, this one, it actually came with their avocado face wash in the little green tube. These are, of course, little travel sizes. The face wash I have already used up, and you can see like most of these I'm almost completely out. Like the dewdrops I'm scraping. I'm going to talk about the dewdrops first because I know that this one went pretty viral. So I have loved Glow Recipe for a long time, like their watermelon face moisturizers. Two of these products are actually like the watermelon glow, I guess. So yes, the dewdrops and then the pore tight toner. And you can look it up on like their social media stuff. So it is real watermelon that they are putting into the products. Like I think they dehydrate it, grind it up, extract it, I don't know, whatever that they do to it. But something about these products, it's like you can smell the real, like it doesn't smell like watermelon scented. Like it smells like real watermelon, but like don't know how to describe it. It's gonna sound really weird, but it is like a fresh, like vegetable-y scent in a good way. And you can like tell that this is like real ingredients, like really good products. I love the dewdrops. These are super hydrating, but don't make you greasy. Perfect to use before makeup application. I've particularly been loving this pore tight toner. I use this twice a day. It feels so nice on the skin. I did use it up. The face wash, the Avocado face wash, I mean, it was nice. Honestly, that one didn't do anything special for me, but you know, these all came in a set together. I think this is a great set with a trial size to test everything out. And then the Strawberry Smooth BHA and AHA Salicylic Acid Serum. This one I've really been loving as well. And I feel like the ingredients in this are similar to the Drunk Elephant TLC Serum, which is also amazing, but it's a lot more pricey than this one, even the full size of it. So if you're looking to an alternative to that, you could try this one, but this one I've been loving as well. And then even the moisturizer, this is the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Cream Face Moisturizer. And here's the thing about this one. Typically for me, face creams like this is almost used up, but face creams like this on me that are thick like this typically give me like cystic breakouts, like cystic acne breakouts. But for whatever reason, I mean, I'm breaking out now, but that's from another reason. But this one does not do that for me. So it's like nice and thick. You can use this morning or night because it does absorb nicely into the skin. I do use this under makeup, but it hasn't made me break out yet. So knock on wood, but this whole set I've been loving. So now this product here, this is going to be talking about another kind of dupe, I guess you could say, particularly for this scent. This is the EOS, however you want to pronounce it, Evolution of Smooth Body Lotion. This one in particular is the Shea Better 24-Hour Moisture Body Lotion in the Vanilla Cashmere scent, particularly that one, the Vanilla Cashmere. Now, I'm a vanilla girl. If you haven't seen yet, I've done my vanilla perfume video, Achieving the Vanilla Girl Aesthetic, so I will link that in the cards for you if you want to see that. But vanilla cashmere, something about that like didn't really appeal to me for whatever reason. I guess I don't know what like cashmere was supposed to smell like, but I looked up some reviews of this and like people were raving about it. This smells exactly like Vanilla Bean Noel from Bath & Body Works. Like exactly like it. Like the other one smells similar to the Sol de Janeiro scent. This is exactly it. So I don't know if they do Vanilla Bean Noel year round. I'm pretty sure it's just like a Christmas holiday time scent. But that is probably my favorite scent from Bath & Body Works. It's like the classic, you know, Vanilla Bean Noel. But this one is going to be a lot more affordable as well. I think this was like $7 from Target. I did just run out of storage, so I apologize if the angle a little bit changed, so that's why. But anyways, but yes, if you're looking for an alternative option that you can find year round and a little bit more affordable than the Vanilla Bean Noel, definitely check out Target for this one. Now I did want to also throw in this one quickly. I don't want to call it a fail, but it definitely didn't hit the mark for me. This is the Ava NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer for Fine Hair. So now they do have the original one that I have heard great things about. I've heard people rave about it, that it smells so good, does great things for your hair. Now I always love to use like a leave-in conditioner or detangler or something for my hair. But so this one I picked up. I wanted to try the original, but then I saw that they had this one. It says on here, I'm new. This is the one specifically for fine hair, which I have, so I thought it would be perfect for me. But honestly, like, the scent, like, it doesn't smell bad. I can't make up my mind whether I like it or not. And then, yeah, see, like, I don't know if I got a faulty one, but, like, the spray, like, when it comes out nice, it comes out nice, but it's just, like, really inconsistent. I don't know. It's just not my favorite. I don't feel like it does that good of a job of detangling. I feel like it could be like, it's nice for like static reducer and heat protector, which are some of the claims, but I don't know. For this one, this could have been a pass for me. Now, this is one baby or kid's favorite that I have. This is a new brand that I discovered. This is Vivi and Bloom. This is their baby 2-in-1 wash and shampoo cleansing gel. I found this at Walmart, but I believe they also carry it at Rite Aid. Now, I discovered this because it was up for like 3,000 points, I think, on the Fetch app. If you haven't signed up for Fetch for rewards yet, I will leave my referral code in the description down below. This one, I'm going to go back to talking about scents again. This smells exactly like Fiji White Sands by Bath & Body Works. Now, I know that sounds really weird because it is a baby shampoo and body wash, but that is exactly what it smells like. If you know, you know. That's one of my favorite summer scents from them. And even, I remember the first time that I used this a while ago, my husband even made the comment like, her hair smells so good. Because like we always use like, you know, I don't know, Johnson & Johnson, you know, some like basic like baby body wash for her hair. But this smells so good and it has given her any issues. She does have sensitive skin. It is tear-free. I haven't noticed any issues with that. It says here it's vegan, not tested on animals, so that's great. And I just feel like this has been, you know, just like the perfect little body wash for the kids. I love that it's a 2-in-1. Even on Luke, my 10-month-old, you know, it doesn't bother his skin at all, and it just makes their hair smell so good. And then I also have it in, it's the same scent, in their whipped body lotion. And then I also just started trying this one out. This is the scalp and body massage oil. So this is more like for cradle cap, but I've also been using this on Luke's legs because he just started crawling and his poor little legs get so like dry and red and beat up. So this has been perfect for that. Again, that's Vivi and Bloom. And I found, I think, these two at Walmart, but I found the massage oil at Rite Aid. Okay, my last product that I'm going to talk about, I'm like out of breath because I just lifted it up. This is a lifestyle favorite, I would say. And this is my weighted blanket or my weighted quilt. Now, as I had said before, you know, I talked about having like stress breakouts going on. Like over the past few weeks, I'm not gonna lie, the Bryant household, we've been going through it. We're fine, we're persevering, we're gonna come out better on the other end, but anxiety, stress has just been kind of at a high for me right now, to be honest with you. And this is something I've had for a while, but I just broke it back out over the past few weeks. Something about the weighted blanket is just, it is so heavy, but it is just, something about it just calms and soothes instantly, and it truly does help me sleep. Now, Spencer, my husband, he has tried it before, and he says he feels like he's claustrophobic and being suffocated, which I can get that, but I don't know, something about it for me, it just works. I got mine from, I believe, Walmart, and I mean, it's pretty old now, so I'll try to find it. If I not, I will link a similar one. I mean, it's not like the prettiest, it's just like a gray color. Of course, it's got like our dog hair on it now, but this has been essential for me, you know, also with Luke just kind of not sleeping through the night right now. For the short bursts of sleep I do get, this helps me to relax and fall right back to sleep. So that is it for my favorites this month, whether we're gonna call this July, August favorites, I don't know what it's supposed to be. Current favorites, halfway through the year, these are the products that I've been absolutely loving. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and leave me a comment down below letting me know what your current favorites are. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye, guys.